Hey everybody, welcome back to Spiritual Devil. It's Friday, September the 23rd, and I have one more week to finish my videos for this year before I part ways with this platform for now. I hope that you enjoy the journey that you've been on. I am 10 push-ups away from having completed 100 push-ups today. That'll make 500 push-ups for this week. When I'm in my studio, my workout area, I will alternate push-ups with curls, and so on some days I'll do quite a number of curls, again with low weights still. We're still focusing on squats, weights, lunges, push-ups, and brisk walks. Taking a walk for me is pretty easy. Walking and getting to the point where I'm sweating and my heart rate is up is pretty easy. We have some moderate terrain around here to choose from. My favorite area, because of the wildlife that I used to find all the time, is the Friedrich Wilderness area. And many of my reviews from this location, from this destination, the Friedrich Wilderness area, include some of the anomalies that I'm noticing in our wildlife and nature. I know some of you are as well. In fact, some of you are the ones who are joining this journey, subscribing, sharing some of the things that are said. And I know some of you are still possibly unaware to what's happening in the natural world around you. Maybe because sometimes we're unaware of what's happening in the natural world inside ourselves. As we do nothing to protect our well-being, the natural order is we begin to wither away. So that's why I'm starting this regiment again. I've actually started to work out this month, which is different from many of the approaches that I've taken. It's also caused some interesting phenomenon or been tied to some interesting phenomenon where it's been more difficult for me to lose weight. It's possible it's harder to lose weight after having gone through a transformation the first time, quote unquote, being reborn as a vegan. And it's possible that my body is lacking some key nutrients that are helping me to rid myself of the excess weight. But at the same time, I feel like I'm fitting a little bit more easily into some of my clothing. I have more energy. My recovery time is a lot better. For an example, I just did 15 push-ups. I alternate between 15 and 20 at the moment. Whereas when I started out, I could do maybe 5, 10 if I really pushed myself. Now I just kind of cruise control it up to 20 and crank out another 20. So between now and next Friday, let's see what happens. This is one of the videos that are left. I have, I think, 3 videos next week that are left and 1 before now and the end of the year to clear out my schedule, which will allow me to focus 100% on the things that I want to focus on. Perhaps you yourself, if you formerly got in touch with me a lot, will also be able to get in touch with me. Who knows? October is an interesting month. I have a lot going on during that month usually. And so we'll see where this adventure takes us. Till next time, thank you so much for joining the adventures. Thanks for subscribing. Thanks for clicking on like and clicking on the comments, mostly to read the description and to interact in ways beyond what's being said here superficially. Have a great day. Peace, love, and all that old school stuff.